Hello everyone, Applebuff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video, we're gonna unbox yet another mysterious package that arrived quite a few hours ago. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video and see what's inside the package. So this is a package from a New York based company called Micheal Louis, who are known for their really beautiful and protective leather cases, and they have sent me a phone case which I, to be honest, can't wait to unbox. But before I begin with today's video, I would like to give a huge shout out to the company and their team for making this shipment possible. So in terms of packaging, the case comes in a really good, strong and a black box with the name of the company printed in the front. Plus, before I forget, I would like to mention that the link to the site is in the description for you to check it out. But before we end up opening the box and take a look at the case, let's take a look at what's inside this small envelope which came along with the box and has my name written on it. So in this envelope, we have a small thank you and a well-wishing card with which I'm pretty impressed. And thank you Micheal Louis for sending this. Now getting back to this black box, let's quickly unbox this and see what's inside. So when you open the box, you'll find a black cloth envelope which will basically have the case in it. So let me open it because now I seriously can't wait to see. And this is how the luxurious case which Micheal Louis sent to me looks like. And to be honest, I am quite impressed with this. So basically, this is actually the black pebbled variant which I went for so that I can rock it with my iPhone XR. Okay, so my first impressions for this black pebble leather case would be, no doubt, it's simple, but the name of the company and my personalized name initials along with the diamond emoji which are embossed in gold foil makes this case simply stand out. And you know what? Some of the coolest things that I love about this case by Micheal Louis are, number one, just like this one, each case is crafted in genuine leather that contains natural variation. Number two, apart from looking absolutely luxurious, it is a protective case with raised edges and slim design. And plus, it even supports wireless charging. So in short, at a price tag of $74, you get a case that's a combination of both luxury and protection, all at the same time. At last, all I want to say is if you want a case that ticks the boxes of both luxury and protection, you should definitely buy this. So with that being said, this is Applebuff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.